I'm going to make baked raviolis. I do have my meat right here. I put hamburger and Italian sausage. Now I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil in my pan here. So I'm going to put my raviolis in there. I get frozen, yes. And then I'm going to put my meat in there. Hunt's tomato sauce in this bowl. That's from the leftovers from the other day. A spoon here. And then I'm going to take some Alfredo sauce and pour in it. And then I'm going to take some, it's the double cheddar. And I'm going to pour this in there too. I might have to add another bag. I thought one bag would be enough. I'll go ahead and add another bag to this. Give me 1 second. I'm going to put some water in here. We're not wasting. Ooh. Same thing with my Alfredo. That right there, like that. Okay. Oh, and I got some spinach. Always, when I open up a bag of spinach or anything, I put it in a plastic bag so it don't get freezer burned. So I'm putting my spinach in here. So we need our greens. My doctor told me I needed more greens. A little bit more raviolis to that. Just a little bit. My husband tells me I make too much, but he needs to take his lunch instead of eating out. There's that. I get a pan because sometimes it'll flow over. Yep. I'm going to let it cook to get those noodles softened up. Okay, this is the outcome. It's boiling hot. So I'm going to go ahead and let's see what it tastes like. This looks so good. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That is so good. Yummy. This is yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Let me get a spoon. And we'll try it out. It's hot. Mmm. That is really good. Anyway, guys, I'm going to go eat.